The Chinese marketplace AliExpress is one of the best ways to build a budget gaming PC, and I'm going to be showing you some good parts to look out for. Despite the good deals available on this marketplace, there are many drawbacks that you're going to want to listen out to at the end of the video. Let's get right into one of the most common things to buy off AliExpress. For those of you looking to get the best value in building a PC, there are some crazy good deals on CPU combos that'll be perfect to structure your build around. This Soyo motherboard combo specifically is super popular, as you get a solid 6-core CPU which can handle 1080p gaming with Ryzen 5 2600. You can also find these for around $30 or so individually, so either way they're a great value. For around $100, you'll be on the most upgradable CPU platform on the market, and we'll be able to pair this with a really solid mid-range graphics card. When looking at graphics cards on AliExpress, you need to be careful and know what you're buying, as many of the cards are really misleading. One key example is the RX 580 2048 SP. Well, at first glance, it might seem like a brand new full-on RX 580 for only $60, but the 2048 SP variant of the 580 has a decreased clock speed. If you plan on buying this card, expect to get similar performance to an RX 570. Another misleading card is the RX 6600M. This may seem to be a regular 6600, but have a limited TDP of 100 watts, compared to the 130 of the regular 6600. These have been slowly moving out of stock and becoming less common, so I'd be pretty surprised if you could find one for a good deal anyway. With these graphics cards being weaker versions of their Western counterparts, I really don't see a reason to buy them if you're comfortable buying off a site like eBay instead. On eBay, you can find RX 580s all the time for around like $50, which will give you a much more powerful GPU at a lower cost. Just make sure to find an eBay seller that has free returns or is backed by the eBay money back guarantee. This limits the risk of buying used parts and will help you get more value for your money. As of right now, CPU combos and CPUs in general are just the only thing I really recommend from AliExpress, as the rest of the core components can be obtained cheaper and with higher quality on sites like Amazon. Choosing to buy only a small number of parts from AliExpress can help you avoid some of the site's biggest issues, which are shipping and reliability. Even if their shipping is honestly pretty fast for overseas shipping, it can take weeks to get your items, and some of the more niche parts can't be trusted that much. If you're looking to do a budget build, I recommend picking up some of the PC community's absolute staples, such as the MSI A550BN power supply, Kingston NV2 SSD, and Montech Air 100 case for your next PC. Pair that with an AliExpress bundle and an RX 580 from eBay, and you got yourself a great gaming PC for around $350. In the future, I'll be building one of these PCs, so stay tuned for future uploads. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll respond to everyone. That's really all I got for this video. If you want to support my new channel, feel free to like and subscribe.